Hi, in this video, we will compare Klaviyo and Drip. Klaviyo is an email marketing platform that helps businesses grow by enabling them to engage with their customers through personalized email campaigns. It offers many features designed to enhance customer communication and drive sales. Klaviyo allows you to create and send targeted email campaigns based on customer behavior, preferences, and demographics. You can customize emails with dynamic content, A/B test variations, and automate the sending process. You can segment your audience based on various criteria, such as purchase history, browsing behavior, location, and more. This enables you to deliver highly targeted messages to specific customer segments. Klaviyo provides detailed analytics and reporting features to track the performance of your email campaigns. You can monitor metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, revenue generated, and more. Klaviyo offers powerful automation capabilities that allow you to set up triggered emails based on specific events or actions taken by your customers. Klaviyo integrates with various e-commerce platforms, CRMs, and other marketing tools, allowing you to sync customer data seamlessly and create a unified view of your customers across different channels. Klaviyo also provides a free plan. Klaviyo pricing plan is based on how many contacts you have and starts at $35 per month. On the other hand, Drip is an email marketing automation platform designed with a specific focus on serving the needs of e-commerce businesses. It helps online stores automate and personalize their marketing efforts to drive sales and customer engagement. Drip excels at allowing you to segment your customer base based on various criteria like purchase history, browsing behavior, and email engagement. Drip allows you to create automated email workflows triggered by specific customer actions or events, like welcome email series for new subscribers, abandoned cart reminders, post-purchase follow-ups, and win-back campaigns for inactive customers. Drip provides detailed analytics and reporting tools to track the performance of your email campaigns. You can monitor open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and other metrics to understand what's working and what needs improvement. Drip integrates with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce, as well as CRM systems, analytics tools, and other marketing platforms. Drip provides a free plan forever and paid plan starts at $39 per month. Drip pricing plan based on how many people are on your email list. If you want to use both Klaviyo and Drip for free, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.